Whether you will get your goal here or not, tandaan mo, I get paid anyway. How about you guys? Lugi ka sa laban na to. You're paying a premium amount. This program, this isn't cheap. If you like cheap stuff, meron pa namang ibang place, pero maybe not here. Project Sixpack, we are not cheap. And looking at you guys, feeling ko you don't like cheap stuff. You're paying premium, dapat ang serbisyong makukuha mo premium. Ang serbisyo ng coach, okay. Well, if you're a coach, tapos yung serbisyo mo is natatapos lang the moment your clients step out of the gym, you're a coach. Tapos yung serbisyo mo natatapos the moment your client go home, shame on you. Sorry. Kasi yung serbisyo ko nag-uumpisa pa lang pag-uwi mo. I can only hold you for an hour, 23 hours of your time. Ano pa yung ginagawa nyo? Nagpa-fasting kaya yun? O nandun na sa iba-ibang fast food? Monitor ko yun. Because I need result. Because I bet you want result. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin the next day I check your weight and it's not working, it's not even going down. Uy, okay yan, muscles yan. No! Results will never lie. Everybody cheat. On the weekend, everybody's a cheater. Dalawa na lang yung tapat. Una yung tanghali. Tapat yun. Alright. Pangalawa yung result will never lie. Yun lang. So kung yung result mo hindi mo nakukuha dito, think about it. That's why I don't consider myself as a coach anyway. Most of the time, a coach will tell you what to do. Ako, I'll show you exactly how to do it.